Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
Okay, so my cat hasn't been allowed to go outside for like a week now, and he's always just looking at me like this. Dude, it's okay. You're not an outside cat. You get your ass beat every time you go outside. Fucking suck it up.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Sometimes my lips get stuck on my teeth. You think it looks weird, but I can't help it. Oh no, my lip just gets stuck on my teeth. Deal with it.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Mother, I crave violence.
Bang! Oh no, she's dead.
That's how it's supposed to be. That's not the right. You're gonna make my body cry.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Am I a cat? Meow, 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 meow. What am I? Meow.
Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
It's the final brain cell.
What if you had it all, but nobody to call? You don't need a friend, boy, you're the man.
Okay.
Good job!
Hey, buddy. Hello. What are you doing? Can I help you with something? something. Oh, baby, you're so cute.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic. Oh.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. Dude, I hit so much stuff, do not